have returned. Hey guys, I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. I mean, for you, it's probably been like a day because I uploaded a video yesterday. But I'm back. I'm filming like 2.5 weeks. But today I'm here with a super short but fun and exciting video, for me at least. I'm going to be showing you how to transform your basic brown smoky eye into something awesome and amazing when you go out at night using only eyeliners. So yeah, you don't need to add any extra eyeshadow, no glitter, no nothing, but take something super simple and make it just a little bit more glam, fun, you know, a little bit more intriguing, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going to be featuring some products that I was sent to from Octoly and then Lancome, just as a little bit of transparency for you guys. But we're gonna just dive right into it. So, I've been testing out for like the past month these Lancome liners. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys probably remember these. I swatched them on my hand when I got them. I completely forgot about it because like generally like I'll swatch stuff, and especially if I'm wearing long sleeves, like I'm just not thinking about it. So I was like doing dishes, doing normal things, you know, going about my day, and then it's like 7 or 8 hours later and I look at my hand and I realized I had swatches on my hand. Now these are pencil liner swatches. You'd think they would have disappeared at this point. They were fully intact. I'm like, these are like ultra long wear pencil liners. They're literally like glue. I wasn't really expecting that. Like, I know when they sent them to me, they said that they were long wearing. They are the Drama Liquid Pencil Eyeliner long wear eyeliner. So these are basically supposed to be like the formula of, say, a liquid eyeliner, a long wear liquid eyeliner, but in the form of a pencil. Very soft, very creamy, but very impactful, if that makes sense. But yeah, so here is the packaging. I've tried really hard to not throw away the packaging because like I'm huge on like just take everything out of the box and like throw it away, you know, that's just me. But yeah, I saved the packaging for you guys just so you can see what it looks like. It's this really pretty Lancome silver, very similar to the glosses I reviewed of Lancome's. But yeah, I really like the packaging. Oh yeah, here are the eyeliners. I received 6 shades. I know they have a ton of other shades. A lot of these are things that I can't pronounce. I will be putting like the name of all the shades right here. I'm gonna try my best to pronounce them, but I'm probably gonna butcher them. This is Petulant. It's supposed to be very shimmery. It's like a smoky. By the way, I'm going to show you how to transfer your eyeliner, but it's, you know, with using colored liners. But I also want to describe them to you at the same point, at the same time. So this one is really, really pretty. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. They're really creamy. You see that? So they're really impactful. This is one of my favorite ones. This is like the olive green one. Oh, it's like an emerald green actually, but it's so pretty. This one is in the shade Ponce des Arts. So bad. So there is that one right there. This one is super creamy. And then the next one is Macadam. This one is already like down. This is the one I've used the most. Right there. It's a really pretty bronzy olive green, and this one is shimmer as well. The green one in the emerald green one is matte. And the next one is Modesty. Oh, you can just read them. Okay, so this one is a smoky gray silvery steel color. This one is so pretty as well. I'm really tempted to use this one today, but this is what I've been liking to do. Like, I've been doing like a super quick makeup look. Like, I'm talking like minimal, like basically no makeup. But to add a little drama, I've been adding these just to add a little bit of pop, and they've really been working out. I love that one so much. And then this one is Aberdeen. I wanted to say Aberdeen, but that's not what it is. And this one's a purple. This one I've also used a lot, which is why it's pretty flat. I gotta sharpen these. I have is Chantilly. I can say that one. And this one is like a gold shimmery champagne color, which is really pretty as well. Now all 6 of these didn't fade. Like, they were there. from like when I put them on, forgot about them for hours and hours and hours. I even did the dishes, like I did normal things, picked up my kids, you know, normal things, and they stay. So yeah, these are the eyeliners. They're ultra long wearing. They're a little bit on the pricier end for a pencil eyeliner, but with this kind of formula, in my opinion, it is worth it. If you want an eyeliner that stays, it's gonna stay. So I'm going to show you how I would use these on like a day when I just have like simple eyeshadow, but I want to add a little something. Taking the emerald green one, and I am just going to go right, I'm going to zoom you in. Going right here. I'm lining the top of my eyes. So it adds, I hope you can see that with the lighting, it adds a little bit of something. I'm not done with putting something on the bottom, but I just want to finish off the top. There is the green one. Now I am going to go on my inner corner with the champagne gold one. I need my mirror to wear. There, that is better. And go right over top of that green to kind of like do a little ombre. I'm not going to go all the way over, but I want to do like, because the green has like a gold undertone, I want it to fade. There we go. So it's like goes green into gold. And this is going to brighten the eyes and doing all this without any like extra eyeshadow. And then for the bottom, I want to add in a little bit of purple. So I'm going to be taking, I think this is the aubergine one, yeah. And I'm going to be going right down here. And again, I'm going to be taking that gold, going right over top to soften it a little bit. So then all you have to do is like pop on some mascara. You can do lashes as well. So then the last and final thing that you would just need to do is throw on a lip color. You can go as bold or as simple as you want. I'm going to be basic and just use Honey Love from MAC. Because I really want the eyes to be the focus. I know this video was super short, but that's everything. I do want to quickly show you. Here are the eyeliners still. I'm just going to, you hear me rubbing, right? Boom. Nowhere. It stayed. So these eyeliners are the bomb. These are eyeliners that I would recommend even for their price. I did receive these from Octoly and Lancome, just so you guys know, being totally transparent. That is everything for this video. I know it's super short, simple, and sweet, but these are worth the price, and it is very rare that I'm like, okay, you need to get these. A little pricey for eyeliner, but they are amazing. They do their job. They stay all day long. Again, you hear me rubbing. They ain't going nowhere. They're not fading. The shimmer isn't even going away. They are great. They're going to stay on you all night long when you go to the club. Do what you do. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Check out all my social media down below or here, here, and here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new. And if you're returning, then you are a godsend. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Goodbye.